Excellent, guys. This is a video number 2. So right now we have some questions. Would you rather? I have one question for you guys. Would you rather go to Disneyland or would you rather go to Universal Studios? Would you rather go to SeaWorld or Legoland? Would you rather play Fortnite or Free Fire? Would you rather eat hamburgers or would you rather eat hot dogs? So that is would you rather. So do you remember how can we answer to that question? We have two options that I explained to you in the last class. So would you rather? If it's a question for you, you have to say, teacher, I would rather eat hot dogs. Whatever, no? But we have another way to answer to make it shorter, okay? So we are gonna put the subject I apostrophe D. I'd rather eat hot dogs. And you see it's the same. This one and this one is this one. It's the same. I'd rather eat hot dogs. And for example, if we have she, how is the contraction? She apostrophe D, okay? She rather eat hot dogs. She would rather eat hot dogs. And we have a boy. He would, the contraction is apostrophe D. And when we have they, ellos, they, we're gonna put they apostrophe D, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So I hope that you got this, because right now we're gonna do an activity in the same page of your book. Everybody go to the page 111 in your book, in the activity number 11. Okay? So right now I'm going to explain you how are you going to complete that, all right? Please open your book, page 111, activity 11. Okay guys, before we do the activity, I'm going to show you some pictures, okay? And some questions. Would Batman rather eat a sandwich or a hamburger? He would rather. Would Captain America rather eat a salad or eat a hot dog? I don't know. Oranges, okay? Would SpongeBob eat oranges or eat donuts? I don't know. Would Hulk rather eat rice or beans, right? So that is one example of the would you rather, okay? So in here, in the page 111, we have one question right here in yellow and orange. The yellow is the question and the orange is the answer. So the question says, would they rather play soccer or watch it? Would you rather play yourself, play in the game with your team, or just sit down in your living room and watch the game on the TV? So that is the question, okay? And the answer says, they rather play soccer. So can you see that this is a contraction? They would rather play soccer. So in the number 11, it says, look at the survey. Look at the survey. Teacher, what is a survey? The blue part. Complete the questions. Use would and rather, then write the answers. You are going to create the questions and you're going to complete the answers using the blue part. For example, a student interest survey. Dear students, we are putting together an after-school program and we want your input. Please check all activities that interest you. Thanks. Name Cindy Hernandez. Cindy Hernandez, she checked all the activities that she likes, that she's interested. For example, the teacher is interested in music, languages, food, and series and movies. So example, no? Or maybe we can say Samantha is interested in Instagram, food, dogs, and family. Everyone is interested in different categories, for example. But in here, she said she checked short story writing, sculpture, fishing, skateboarding, and she didn't like the others, okay? So with this information, you're gonna complete this one. You're gonna create the question, and you're gonna see the survey, and you're gonna answer. And remember that we are talking about Cindy Hernandez. So all the answers, you're gonna put it like this. She, okay? Or she would. And after that, remember what he said? She would rather, etc. Okay? She would rather, blah, blah, blah. So you're going to complete the number 11 with this information. And once you're finished, you're going to take a picture and you're going to put it on Facebook. Excellent, guys. Now that you have completed the activity 11, we can continue. So you have a mini homework, okay? A mini homework. On Tuesday, we're gonna play Kahoot and we're gonna do another activity. But for that, we need something. So that's why I am going to give you a homework. But the homework is super easy. It's not difficult. It's not gonna take you more than 5 minutes to complete it because you are super intelligent, super smart, and you can do it, guys. So what is the homework about? It's for Tuesday. It's for Tuesday, not Monday. Tuesday. So what are you gonna do? In a one paper of your notebook, you are going to write 6 questions in total. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So you're gonna write 3 questions, only 3 questions, using have you ever. For example, have you ever gone to China? Have you ever played basketball? Etc. Those have you ever questions. But the thing is that you need to be original. You need to make the questions fun and interesting. You have to think about crazy questions, you know? Like, I don't know, have you ever eaten a snake? Or something like that. Like something crazy, something fun, something interesting, okay? Don't say, have you ever eaten a taco? Well, no, I mean, come on. You need to think outside the box, okay? So 3 questions using have you ever, fun, and interesting, all right? And the other 3 questions is would you rather. It's the same question. Would you rather this or that? Fun and interesting. Don't say, would you rather drink Coca-Cola or Pepsi? No, you need to think different, be original, you know, be creative. So that is the homework for Tuesday for the class. 6 questions in total, but you know that is super easy, right? So that is the homework for Tuesday. Very good. Now that the homework for Tuesday is all clear and done, right now you're gonna do a very, very simple and fast and fun activity. I'm gonna put you the link right now, and it's a game. It's another game, okay? And that game is about present perfect. It's about unscrambled words, and you have to put it together. For example, if we have hasn't, Gabriel, okay, so the game is like this. We have different bubbles. We have different bubbles, and we have to put it in order. So what is the order? Gabriel what? Hasn't the past participle, done the complement, the homework. And that's it. That's what you are going to do right now. And I'm gonna show you a few examples right now, and that's it, guys, okay? This is the page. You click the link, this is the page. You can read the grammar rule, the examples, remember, be careful, we say, we don't say. So game number 1 and game number 2. You are going to click in the game number 2, okay? Not the number 1, the number 2. The one that is called word to word. And you're gonna start, okay? So we have the sentence here. And we need to accommodate the sentence. Gran, the name. What is it? Hasn't. Past participle. Been. Complement to Japan. Well done. And you're going to continue until it's finished. Once it is finished, you're going to take a picture and put it on Facebook. Very good, guys. Now that you finished the game and everything, it's you are done. We are done with the class. We can see each other again on Tuesday. On Tuesday, okay? Please study the past participles. I sent an email to your father and mother, or I don't know, either of them, about past participle verbs, okay? Les envié un correo a sus papás con la lista de los past participles. Ellos la tienen, que se la den para que los estudien los verbos, because the verbs are going to be on the exam, the past participles, okay? So thank you guys so much. Have a good day, have a great weekend, stay safe, and see you on Tuesday. Goodbye.